Okay, admit it. It's tough to stick to a healthy diet on a busy workday. When you have deadlines to meet or a crisis to handle, you can't be bothered with any elaborate healthy routines. You'd rather sip copious amounts of coffee, be glued to your desk, and stay there till the sun sets. But being busy doesn't mean you take your health for granted. Even on the busiest of workdays, you can make health a priority by sticking to these 7 good habits. Habit number 1. Don't skip breakfast. When you're busy, the first thing you want to do is to chuck breakfast and straight away head to your work desk. But eating breakfast will give you more energy levels. It will reduce those distracting hunger pangs, and it will also give you more focus so you can get more done in a day. On days when you really have to rush to work, you can prepare something simple the night before. You can make a smoothie and keep it in the fridge. Or you can even soak oats in milk or curd and put some cranberries on them. Trust me, it will make a world of difference. Healthy habit number 2. Keep snacks on your work desk. We all know that time between 12 to 1 and 4 to 6 p.m. when you feel really hungry. Before your friend can suggest you to order that plate of momos, just open your snack bar and eat something healthy from there. Excellent snacks are makhanas, dry fruits, dates, figs, apples, and granola bars. Healthy habit number 3. Compensate the extra coffee with extra water. On a busy workday, all you want to slay is those deadlines. So, you obviously have to drink 2 to 3 cups of coffee because it will keep you energized. But to compensate for that, you should also compensate your body by drinking more water so that it's free from any toxins. Healthy habit number 4. If you are getting on an important work call, try to walk and talk. Silicon Valley loves to do this. Steve Jobs too was a fan. When you walk while holding a meeting, you are more productive and energized, and ideas flow more naturally than when you are sitting. You can carry a notepad with you and a pen. That way, you will also clock in some amount of walking on an otherwise extremely busy day. I know we in India have the idea of sticking to our work desks, but once you step outside for a while, the work will only get better. As a bonus, you will get healthier too. Healthy habit number 5. Be open to getting leftovers to work. Don't pressure yourself to eat fresh every single day. Make more food in the night and get to your work the next day. That way, you will never have to skip lunch at work. And lastly, if you have not had time to prepare lunch, then stick to ordering something healthy. There are a lot of keto bowls or salads that will keep you alert at work. Or even if you want to order something Indian, avoid white rice. And please, definitely avoid burgers and pizzas, no matter how much the workload. We understand. We've also been through extremely busy workdays. But even then, if you don't let your health go for a complete toss, in the end, not only you will win, your work will too. Let us know in the comments below how did you like our suggestions, and keep following us for more such content.